Please introduce your product, service, and solutions, and how does Ayla platform different from other IoT service providers when your customer in designing their products?
Well, I think what makes Ayla different is that we provide a complete solution that includes device, mobile, and cloud. Most of our competitors really only provide a cloud solution. To me, this is like providing an engine instead of a car. And that's fine if you're willing to make the investment to take an engine and turn it into a car. But that is a big investment. And so I think what happens is most customers, they really want a car. And so they're unhappy when they realize that they still need to provide 2/3 of an IoT solution themselves.
So Ayla Networks is different in that we provide an end-to-end platform. We develop it, we designed it, developed it, and tested it as an end-to-end platform from the first day that we started. Many IoT platforms provide a cloud piece and they focus on the cloud, the features in the cloud. Ayla provide both device and mobile solutions as well, and test those solutions end-to-end to ensure that our customers get the most value from our IoT platform.
Ayla provides an end-to-end solution for manufacturers to bring connected products to the market in the shortest time possible. One way in which Ayla is different from many other IoT platform providers is that Ayla started off being a horizontal platform. We built a platform that works for all of these products, that you see over here. Connected thermostats, smoke detectors, baby socks, boilers. We've built a cloud platform that is agnostic to the type of device. So that is one way in which Ayla is truly different, because it's a truly horizontal platform. It's not a custom coded platform for each type of device. So it's what we do.
We know the IoT is very exciting market, but many companies don't know how to start into the IoT market. So what is your advice for your customers or any other want to into this into these markets? Yeah.
Right. So I think it's important for customers to take a fresh look at IoT and what it can do for their product. Surprisingly, this is easier for startups and new companies to do because they have designed their products around IoT as a core value proposition. More established customers just starting to get into IoT, it turns out it's more difficult for them to do because they look at IoT through the filter of their existing products and organization, and it's an impediment for them. So really what they need to do is they need to reimagine their product from an IoT perspective, to think about what is that IoT can do for themselves and for their customers. And I think probably the best thing for them to do is to take advantage of Ayla University and Ayla Professional Services and help them take a fresh look at their products.
So the first thing I would say to a company who's considering using IoT for their product is to spend some time looking at the value that IoT brings to both their products and their customers. So IoT is very exciting. It has the potential to change the relationship that their customers have with their products, and also the relationship that the companies have with their customers, beyond the point where the customer has bought the product. And so I think customers need to try to reimagine their products as connected products, because it really is quite a different thing. And one thing that Ayla Networks tries to do is we provide more than just a technical solution. We talk with our customers, we advise them. We have a lot of expertise and a lot of experience with helping customers make connected products. And we have Ayla University, which is a training program that we offer to customers to help them understand what IoT is, what value it can bring to products, and how our customers can make successful connected products.
When a company is launching a connected product, they need to have a clear ROI strategy for what they're going to do with the data that they're going to be collecting that they did not have before. Because that's simply the biggest advantage that they will have from making a product connected. So having that strategy in place is essential. And a company also needs to have a device strategy, a cloud strategy, a mobile strategy, and a plan on which regions they're going to launch their product in, and kind of step in with an awareness that this is not simply a feature, but they're actually entering a new category. So that kind of mindset change would really help companies.
What are the main challenges your customers will face when they developing their IoT product, and how do you help your customers to overcome these challenges?
So what we see is that customers struggle with the complexity of IoT. Right? It's like we were talking about before. It's difficult to get started and to know where to begin. And so what we do at Ayla is we provide that complete platform. Just as an example, right? What a company would need to duplicate what we have, right? They would need to understand RF systems. They need to understand networking. They need to understand embedded systems. They need to understand Android and Apple and HomeKit and Alexa. Okay, they need to understand cloud technologies, distributed databases, microservices. Okay, they need to understand policy management, key management. It's just huge, right? All of the work that they need to do, and so the real value that we're providing them and the thing that helps them move forward is that by leveraging our platform, they can take advantage of the expertise of the engineers that we have in-house that are building this system together and making it seamless. Because not only do you need expertise in all those areas, you need to make all of those things work together seamlessly. Okay, it's very difficult. It's very difficult to just do one of those. To do all three of those together is very difficult. So the advantage really of going with an Ayla platform is that we do that for them. So they don't have to get mired in learning the technology. They can just focus on their product, the value proposition for their product to themselves and their customer. Leave the technology to us. Okay, thank you.
So what we find is that customers may underestimate the complexity and the difficulty in creating a connected product. Some companies may not necessarily have the kind of expertise needed to create a connected product, and so we try to bring that expertise to our customers, both with our products and with our support and our consulting services. The difficulties can be just in getting all the pieces of a connected product, the components that are in the device, the features in the cloud, and a mobile app if they're using that to control the product, getting all those pieces working together in a way that gives a seamless and problem-free experience to their customers. And so what Ayla provides is a platform with all these components already developed and pre-tested end-to-end, so that a lot of that expertise and a lot of that difficulty, a lot of those problems have already been solved for our customers. Thanks.
For a number of our customers, this is their first foray into bringing out a connected product. They are experts at what they do. They've been making these systems for decades. But launching, a product that has networking and a security stack and an end-to-end aspect to it is new territory. So the way Ayla helps them as a IoT platform is that we solve the connectivity and the data management, user management, integration and analytics problems for our customers in a standard, repeatable way for all their products. So choosing a platform like Ayla that's end-to-end, that is production ready, is key to getting a successful connected product. That's the biggest advantage that Ayla offers. Thank you.